My name is Liliana Valle. I'm a senior physics and history major.
I'm Genevieve DiBari. I'm a senior physics and economics major.
So the way this all started was that way back in our own Physics 101 lab, I was getting distracted and not really doing what I was supposed to be doing, and I found some of these little Hexbugs, or like these remote-controlled toys that are usually for younger kids or cats. And I got distracted and started running that around our own setup. And our professor Janice caught me and said, you know, while it's great that you're experimenting with those, I would love to get involved with those in some other way, you know, like let's keep involved with the experiment.
I believe the first experiment that we basically on-ramped students with was this gas pressure fluctuation experiment where we basically took a shoebox, cut 2 slits on either side of the shoebox so that we could put a little wall that would move, like a little mobile wall that could move either direction in the shoebox. And so when we put these Hexbugs in the box, the Hexbugs would basically push the wall. And so that more or less like modeled.
Yeah, just like pressure, gas pressure. So the Hexbugs were acting as molecules in a gas. We, again, were working with Janice remotely to start this paper writing process. And so what that looked like was we took the results of the actual lab, so some of the experiments that the students actually designed themselves, and we looked at them again, we saw which ones were successful and said, which ones can we put into a paper? Which ones will show the scientific merit of the lab and also the creativity of the students in designing their own experiments?